What's the deal, everybody? I just wanted to shoot this quick video to shout out an elite course member by the name of Josh Lee. I don't know how to pronounce your last name, but as you can see, reading this caption, I said it. Man, I'm on fire right now. Keep at it, everyone. I believe I will hit 1K in a day real soon. Y'all don't stop working at it. So, looking at his results right here. Today, what was that? Yesterday. Today July 8th. But yesterday, he made $663 in a single day. That's the most any one of my elite course members made so far. As you can see, so far for the week, he is at 1275, and you know the cutoff weeks for Clickbank is on Wednesday. So look at that, 663 in a day, running paid traffic to Clickbank offers. And the day before, 111. Day before that, 254. Before that, 247. As you can see, he started out kind of slow, and now he picked it back up on the holiday. Like, that's crazy. You know, between the 4th and the 7th, he made, $1,200. That's pretty good. I'm pretty sure he is about to hit 1K in a single day. I give it probably a few days before you do it, man. Who knows? But yeah, man, I just wanted to shoot this quick testimonial to shout out Josh Lee. Keep up the results, man. Get to that 1K. I'm waiting on it.